Your lesson essential question is, how do we accurately measure the mass of objects? So today you're going to be measuring mass. Yesterday we estimated the mass, so we looked for a close answer based on what we knew. Today we're accurately measuring, so we're actually measuring today. When we measure mass, we have to be very precise. We'll be using grams and kilograms. We'll be using a pan balance and these little weights. So the way that we use this, we put an object on one side, and what happens is the object goes down like a seesaw. Then we get the little weights and we stick them on the pan balance until the object and the weights are even. And that's when we add the weights together, and that's how we figure out the mass. So let's practice. I'm looking at the weights in the first picture, and I add them together. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know this pencil is 8 grams. Now let's look at the cat. 20 plus 20 plus 5. 20 plus 20 is 40. Plus 5 is 45. 45 grams. This backpack, 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. 36 grams. Let's see if you can figure out the mass of this pizza. Ten plus 5 is 15, plus 1, 16, another 1, 17. Go ahead and figure out the mass of the eraser. 6 grams. And last, figure out the mass of the teacup. "20 plus 10 is 30, plus 2 is 32. 32 grams. And I want to point out again, the pan balance, both pans are even, so that's how we know that when we add all of the weights together, that's the mass of the object, because they're even. Now it's your turn to practice.